In today's video, I'll show you how to change your home address in Crypto.com step by step. Keeping your address updated is important because it helps keep your account information accurate and avoids problems with verification or account services. To begin, open the Crypto.com website and sign into your account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can manage your account. Next, look at the top corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you can access your personal account settings and make changes to your information. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This section contains different options for managing your account details. Inside the Settings page, find and open the Help Center. Updating your home address is usually handled through support, so this is where you'll find the correct instructions. In the Help Center, search for topics related to changing your home address. You'll see helpful guides and support options that explain what to do next. If you need to update your address, follow the instructions provided or contact support directly. You may be asked to provide documents that confirm your new address before the change can be completed. Once your request is processed, your new address will be updated in your account. Keeping your personal information correct helps make sure your Crypto.com account stays secure and works smoothly. And that's how to change your home address in Crypto.com. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.